been able to speak only with you for another 1.5 hours. I am going to share my experience. So I don't want to make you to get boring slides and everything. What was my experience with respect to this innovation? So just I am going to share with you because you are now as an emerging innovative students, right? Yes or no? If that is a mechanical or any other core branches, we can't able to call it as an innovative engineers. Why we call AA students as innovative engineers? Why? The course is very new. Last year only all over India, the AIML course students was came out, like last year means 2024. Got it? So AIML, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, so one of the leading courses now. Even today, I think yesterday newspaper, if you go and check with the Hindu, they have given there are so many tech layoffs. What is meant by this tech layoffs? Again, another tech layoffs in Intel, in Microsoft, in IBM, all over there is a tech layoffs. Tech layoffs is nothing but they are going to remove the employees from the company. Why they are removing these employees from the company? Maximize the profit. Okay, one. Maximizing the profit. Next. Projects. Okay, second one. What else? Will be the reason to remove. When you remove, why they want to remove the people? Employees. Lack of skills. Okay, lack of skills. That might be also one reason. The major thing here is the introduction of AI, artificial intelligence. Right? Artificial intelligence. Human intervention has to be reduced. So one end the AI is advantage and another end AI is one of the drawback for the human being. If you go for the metro, initially when the metro was commenced with the Bangalore, the ticket will need to be collected only from the ticket counter. Now